Hello, this is Angie. On the video today is on Doordash tip or no tip and why this matters to the customer. By the end of this video, hopefully you'll understand the importance and why it does matter if you leave a tip for the dasher or not. Now, I know that as a customer, we don't really want to give a tip ahead of time for a service we have not received yet, especially if we don't even know if the dasher is going to deserve that tip or not. However, just so you know that when you add the tip to the order at the time that you place it, that helps determine what dasher is going to be assigned to that order. And the higher paying orders are given high priority to the top dashers. And to be a top dasher, you have to have a good customer rating. You have to have at least 100 deliveries for the month. And this indicates somebody who takes their dasher job seriously and cares about giving a good delivery experience to their customers. So it's not, you're less likely to get a bottom of the barrel dasher if you do put a tip on the order when you place the order. So I hope that makes sense. Also, too, just like anyone else, we want to feel appreciated for the job that we're doing and the service that we're providing for you. It is a huge convenience to just place an order with whoever and have someone pick it up and drive it to your door for you. This is a huge service that's being done. Think about when you go to a restaurant, do you not tip the waitress or waiter that has served you during your meal? Well, think about a dasher is using their own vehicle. They're paying for all their own gas to pick up your food and bring it to you. So they definitely deserve your tip. And again, it does assure that you are more likely to get a dasher who is a top dasher and takes care of their customers. So I hope this explanation kind of helps a little bit to understand the importance of that. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye.